Poem written with a sawed-off typewriter. Some of us vanish out of habit, guided by some blood orchestral pulse. The delirium chorus of a rowing mind. She was always going. I haven't seen her in 2 decades, and I have felt every year. What's the word for shadow's shadow? Apparition? Dark twin? Heartless daughter? Sometimes she calls on your birthday, my father says. Confused, her mouth full of radio wire. God is a signal, the devil a song. Hey Ma, how many voices does it take for a schizophrenic to change a light bulb? Wait, I'm sorry. Let me ask an easier question. When you left, did you leave your children half full or half empty?